So, you just signed up for WebEasy Hosting. Let me be the first to welcome you and thank you for choosing our services. This short and informative guide will assist you in ensuring that you are ready to get started with your new hosting account. The first thing you want to do is check your email. Upon signing up, we will send you a few emails with free software and, most importantly, an email containing your hosting account information. If you do not see the messages in your inbox, they may be in your spam folder. Your hosting account info email will be a great resource for introducing yourself to your new hosting account. The top of the email contains billing documentation regarding your hosting order. To the right, in the green column, you will find information specific to your hosting account. Most importantly, if you signed up for hosting with a domain that you already own elsewhere, you will need to know your name servers in order to point your domain at your new hosting account. The What's Next section of the email will get you started with important areas regarding your hosting, including your hosting control panel. With WebEasy, your username and password are the same for cPanel, billing, or publishing. When you log into the cPanel, be sure to take the tour with the help guide by clicking Get Started Now on the introduction window. You can choose any language and take a virtual walk through the cPanel for your hosting account. The next step is accessing your billing panel. From your billing panel, you can update your contact information, view or modify your credit card on file, edit your account password, view notifications, view invoices, make a payment, view your hosting account information as well as your domains. If you have signed up with a domain that you already own elsewhere, it is very important to click on the Transfer Your Domain link, as it provides instructions necessary for allowing your domain to be used with your new hosting account at WebEasy Hosting. When you click on the link, the two important areas are how do I point a domain and how do I transfer a domain. Pointing your domain involves updating your domain settings with the name servers we saw in the green column of your hosting account information email. This will allow your domain to pick up what you publish to our servers. Transferring your domain walks you through the steps of preparing the domain to come over to your hosting account with WebEasy Hosting. If you are not comfortable with making the necessary changes, make a note of the last paragraph in the instructions for pointing your domain. It will let you know what information you can send us, and we are more than happy to log in and make the changes for you. You can access any area regarding your account from the top right corner of our homepage at webeasyhosting.com. Billing login, your control panel, our support area, webmail, as well as our live chat. When accessing the support area for the first time, please note, this area requires you to register your email address and set up a free support account. Your hosting username and password will not work here. Once you fill in the short information form, you can use your email address and password you created to access our support pages. An email confirmation will be sent to you. Now you're ready to open your software. To get started, you can pick a website template. In the future, you can open your document by choosing Open an Existing Website. The globe in the top left corner offers additional options, including the template gallery, to pick a template, blank website, to start with a blank canvas, and more. The Help tab will serve as an excellent resource. The first option is a shortcut to the WebEasy manual. The Tutorials option offers helpful video tutorials. Please note, these do not have sound. The Support option serves as a shortcut to your hosting account support portal. And lastly, the Updates option searches for any available updates to the software. Additionally, please visit videos.webeasyhosting.com, as we regularly post helpful videos to our channel to meet the needs of common questions and concerns. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions along the way, we are here and happy to help. You can reach us by sending an email to support@webeasyhosting.com, call 855-490-0540, or start a live chat at webeasyhosting.com. Once again, thank you for choosing WebEasy Hosting. Happy building!